Hello, trading is closed on December 26, 2018. I'd like to thank everybody who wished me a speedy recovery. I'm improving, but I'm still not myself. We get to cross this number off the list. We get to add this one to it. MEJT says this number should print most likely before tomorrow's close. Seems kind of far away, but who knows? This is a wave count with ABC, C equal to twice A, which says this leg of the decline is over. And we're going to have wave blue B up, which should take some time. That's today's call.